Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Excel Sessions, and today we will learn let function which is available in Excel 365. Let function is similar to defining variables in any programming language. There are multiple benefits of let function. First, let function improves the performance. If you write same expression multiple times in a formula, then Excel calculate the expression multiple times. But if we use a variable instead of expression, then Excel will calculate it only once and let function will help us to define the variable. Second, using let function, it is easy to read, write or update the formula, which you will see in coming examples. To use let function, we have to define pairs of variable name and associated value separated by the comma, and the last parameter of the let function will be the calculation which will use the defined variables. Remember, the output of let function will be the last parameter. To understand syntax of let function, type equals to let open bracket declare a variable x comma 2, which is the value of variable x, comma type the formula x multiplied by 3, closing bracket. Now here in the last parameter variable x is used. Press enter and it will show the result. In let function we can declare up to 126 variables and corresponding value in pairs separated by comma. So to use multiple variables, type equals to let open bracket first variable is x comma value of x is 4 comma second variable is y comma value of variable y is 6 comma and the last parameter is x multiplied by y. Now here we have declared two variables x and y with corresponding values 4 and 6. Press enter and let function will calculate the last parameter using the defined variables. Now let's resolve practical problems. In this example, we are calculating the grade of students on the basis of total marks. The criteria is shown in the table. To calculate the grade, we will use if function. So type equals to if open bracket sum select B2 to D2 is greater than 270, then grade will be A, else if open bracket sum of B2 to D2 is greater than 240, then grade will be B, else if open bracket sum of B2 to D2 is greater than 210, then grade will be C, else grade will be D. Closing parenthesis. Now in the formula, Excel is calculating the sum of three cells every time. Now here we can use let function to define a variable and can use that variable in place of some function. So type equals to let open bracket variable is marks comma value of variable is sum of B2 to D2 comma paste the same if statement and replace all the three sum function by variable marks. Now press enter and it will show the required grade of each student. Here we have replaced all the sum expression by variable marks. And now Excel is calculating the sum expression only once. In this example, we are calculating aging on the basis of given table. The aging is the difference of start date and end date, and we will use network days function to get the total working days. So type equals to if open bracket network days B2 comma C2 is greater than 20, then aging will be 20 plus. So type 20 plus in double quotes, comma, if open bracket network days B2 comma C2 is greater than 10, then aging will be 10 plus. Else, if network days B2 to C2 is greater than 5, then aging will be 5 plus, else aging will be less than 5. Closing parenthesis. Now in the formula, Excel is calculating network days function 3 times. Here we can use let function to define a variable and can use that variable in place of network days function. Press enter and autofill the formula. To use let function, type equals to let open bracket variable name is age, comma, value of variable is network days, open bracket B2 comma C2 closing bracket, comma. Now retype the formula. If open bracket age is greater than 20, comma, aging will be 20 plus, else if age is greater than 10, aging will be 10 plus, else if age is greater than 5, then 5 plus, else age will be less than 5. Type closing parenthesis, press enter and it will show the required result. Now in this way you can use let function in Excel 365 and can enhance the performance. If you like the content, press thumbs up and share with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notifications of videos. Thanks for watching.